Kenyatta in Jubilee for 10 years, implemented the policies of Jubilee for 10 years. I believe in President Uhuru Kenyatta. I totally support him, and I totally believe in his solid leadership and vision for our country. So, thank you for giving me this opportunity to be your deputy party leader. I will work with all of you. There are many people in this audience, many of you leaders, obviously who are much more experienced than I am, especially in political practice, and who have done many things in this country that I probably will never do. But I want to say with humility that by the grace of God, I'll be available to learn, to work with you, to consult with you, Mheshimiwa Manje, Mheshimiwa Kimari, Mheshimiwa Joshua Toro, all of you wonderful people. I'll work with you, listen to you, and we will work together as we grow our party to move forward. Thirdly, the task at hand is very clear to all of us. I do not want to sound very negative today because this is a very special day, even for me, historically. But when you look at what is going on in the country, every time you ask here, Your Excellency, you know, you sent all of us around. The other day I drove on this road, Kenol, Marwa, all the way to Sagana, that side. And remembered how you would send us to go to the site and look at the road, and you will tell me, when you get there, take a video and send it to me right now. I want to know how the progress is moving. And I asked myself, how can it take 3 years to complete a project that we ourselves estimated ought to have been completed by now? And when you ask questions about the things that are going on around here, hii si chuki, ni kusema tu ukweli vile ulivyo. Na nyinyi wananchi ndio mko kwa ground, mnaona yale ambayo yanafanyika. Hii kwa nchi yetu, with the capacity we have in this country and the potential we have in the country, ni aibu, na ni kwa sababu ya shida tumekuwa nayo kwa uongozi. If there is anything I want to leave you as you leave this place to go home tonight, I want to leave you with one phrase: we are better than this as a people. Mara mnagani? Tafadhali tuseme hivi, we are better than this.
We are better than this.
Say it again, we are better
than this.
We are better than this. Because we can do better as a country. And we are seeking, as Jubilee, to get to office so that we complete the work that you can see clearly is incomplete, so that we can pick up from, naonekana kwamba mahali tulisimamia. Mheshimiwa Muradhi alikuwa ananiambia wimbo mwingine hapa kwamba tangu Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta aondoke kumeshikana. Sasa tunataka kuona kwamba huko kushikana tunaweza kutatua. Lakini ya muhimu ni kwamba ninawaomba wenzangu katika chama hiki cha Jubilee, the best way to move forward, every family works, grows, develops in the tradition of its leader. As a Jubilee family, we will grow if we walk and act in the tradition of our leader. And the tradition of our leader is, among the many lessons I learned from Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta, is the decency of difference. Ustaarabu katika tofauti zetu za kisiasa. We can have differences, but we deal with each other decently. Inclusion, all views are important. Hata wale ambao tunaislaviana kidogo ni sawa, kwa sababu ni wa Kenya and we chose democracy. We work with them. Respect and responsibility when we are dealing with others, even those who are in other parties. Insults are not a plan, insults are not a strategy, and insults cannot take you anywhere. Sisi Jubilee hatuwezi kuwa chama cha kutusi watu, kwa sababu kiongozi wetu kwanza ametuonyesha njia ya kwenda mbele bila matusi, bila shida yoyote, kila wakati kujaribu kuweka watu pamoja. Your Excellency, in conclusion, I promise you that we will do everything as you have guided us. We will embark on a very active recruitment program, very deep